Let's face the facts straightforwardly. Often, finances play an important role in the attraction a woman may feel towards a man, especially if he holds a better economic position. To understand this dynamic, we must examine the concept of hypergamy, which can be summarized as follows. Women tend to be naturally attracted to men with higher socioeconomic status when seeking long-term relationships. We can observe examples of this tendency in the attraction of a nurse towards a doctor, the interest of a secretary in a lawyer, or a worker's preference for her supervisor. This dynamic is evident in various work environments, highlighting the constant relationship between attractiveness and socioeconomic status in relationships. So, how can you attract a young woman between 18 and 25 years old, regardless of your age? The key is not just having great wealth. In this video, we will reveal the answer to this question and share 7 traits you should develop if you want to attract young women. Let's get started. Number 1. Avoid becoming a toxic person. One of the common mistakes men make when dating younger women is treating them as if they have much greater maturity than they actually do. While girls can mature quickly, it's crucial to remember that they are still young and should not be expected to behave with the maturity of someone older. Their rapid development does not mean they should assume responsibilities or behaviors beyond their age. Therefore, it's essential not to impose unrealistic expectations on them. When a man dates a younger woman, he may often feel jealousy and insecurities. He fears that she might find someone closer to her own age who could attract and win her over. However, it's crucial not to be swayed by paranoid thoughts. Young women are looking to enjoy life, and if you try to restrict their experiences, you risk ruining your progress and giving her reasons to seek someone less insecure and possessive. Remember that one of the reasons young women are often attracted to older men is the self-confidence they project. Jealousy undermines that image of security. Therefore, it is essential to avoid suffocating them and to allow them to enjoy their youth without restrictions. Number 2. Maintain leadership in the relationship. As a man with greater experience and maturity, you have the responsibility to maintain balance in the relationship. It's important to understand that young and attractive women may sometimes feel entitled to test the men they are attracted to and seek benefits they haven't earned yet. This is a delicate part of the dynamic, so fragile that if it breaks, it could compromise any chance of developing a relationship with her. Don't get caught up in her games or tests, nor fall into her manipulations. Instead of following the script she expects, respond to her questions with wit and originality. This will help you maintain control of the situation and make the dynamic more fun and challenging. This approach can make her more receptive to your advances without jeopardizing the future of the relationship. It's essential to maintain a firm and authentic attitude to establish healthy boundaries and build a strong connection. Number 3. Prepare yourself comprehensively. Everything starts with comprehensive preparation when trying to attract young women, generally between 18 and 25 years old, regardless of your age. This preparation includes not only external aspects but also an internal change that involves adjusting your mindset, modifying your beliefs, and even redefining your identity. It is common for some men to mistakenly believe that their seduction ability decreases with age, but it's time to challenge that belief. In fact, over time, a man's attractiveness can increase. This misconception is linked to another common myth, the idea that women are attracted to the same things as men. While men often find physical beauty attractive, which can diminish over time, for women, the most attractive qualities are typically masculine status, including factors such as social success and self-confidence. These personality traits tend to improve with age in most men. Additionally, because women usually mature emotionally faster than men, many young women find older men attractive due to their emotional maturity. They expect an older man to offer a more interesting and enriching relationship. Various studies support the idea that the most successful relationships are often those where the man is older than the woman. Regarding external changes, it is important to update your image to appeal to young women. Choosing a wardrobe, hairstyle, and accessories that enhance your appearance without falling into excesses that make you look ridiculous is essential. In other words, opt for age-appropriate clothing, choose cuts that elongate your figure, and use dark colors to project elegance and mystery. Taking care of your appearance will help you attract the attention of young women and women of all ages. Number 4. Give surprises. Your experience and maturity give you a notable advantage over her. Use this advantage to impress her rather than just being an exception. Act in ways that a younger or less experienced man wouldn't, providing her with unique experiences she hasn't had before. Creativity and originality play a crucial role here. Be able to fulfill desires she didn't even know she had. If you find this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you subscribed. An effective tactic is to invite her to a mysterious activity. Keep the destination a secret and tell her you're taking her to a unique place she will love. This aura of uncertainty creates anticipation and sparks her curiosity, two aspects that are often very attractive to women. However, it is essential that the chosen place is one you are familiar with and know is ideal for a date, such as a candlelit dinner, a relaxing massage, or any other experience you have successfully tried before. In this context, creativity knows no bounds. Surprise her and keep the excitement alive in the relationship. Number 5. Communicate naturally. Some people believe that relationships between individuals of different ages can become complicated due to generational differences in communication styles. However, this statement is not entirely accurate. In fact, there are couples who have managed to understand each other despite speaking different languages. Therefore, it is even more likely that two people who share the same language can have happy and fulfilling relationships. The key is to maintain effective communication. While it may initially be necessary to learn some typical words or phrases from each generation, the essence of communication is to understand their expressions without feeling the need to adopt them directly. What's important is to remain authentic and true to yourself in your communication. Number 6. Visit appropriate places. Once you feel ready to go out and attract the woman you're interested in, it's essential to identify the right places to meet her. Although there are various places where you can meet young women, not all are equally appropriate. Choosing the right environment is crucial, as women are influenced by their surroundings, and selecting an inappropriate place could render your efforts futile. The environment plays an important role in the success of an older man seeking to attract a younger woman. While nightclubs are often filled with young people, they are not the most suitable place for an older man. These venues are frequented mainly by younger individuals, and if you are older than the average person there, you might feel out of place. The key to choosing the right place lies in finding one where you feel comfortable, allowing your approach to be perceived as natural by the woman you wish to attract. Point 7. Respect her desires and aspirations. To have a successful relationship with a younger woman, it is crucial to respect her goals, dreams, and desires. Make sure not to limit her personal growth or aspirations. Support and encourage her ambitions, even if they differ from your own. Equality and mutual respect are fundamental in any relationship, regardless of age difference. By supporting her individual development, you will strengthen the foundation of the relationship and build a stronger, healthier bond. I have shared with you 7 effective recommendations for captivating young women, no matter how old you are or the age difference between you. If you apply these tips wisely, you will see a remarkable transformation in your life. Your desire to win the heart of a young woman can become a wonderful and enjoyable experience. If the content provided in the video has resonated with you and you found it enjoyable, I kindly encourage you to show your appreciation and support by clicking the like button. Additionally, I invite you to subscribe to stay updated with our content and continue enriching your understanding of this topic.